If you're new to crypto trading and tired of losing money, then watch this video carefully. This Bitcoin option selling strategy has delivered 1000% return in 2025 and with just a capital of 10,000 rupees. And if you're a beginner crypto trader who does not know how to build crypto trading strategy, then we have built crypto marketplace Crypto Bazaar specially for you, where you can access expert created algo trading strategies and trade them in just one click. Let's go to AlgoTest and see how you can access expert created algo trading strategies in crypto marketplace. Now we are on the AlgoTest dashboard, and if you are a new user watching our video first time, you can create a new AlgoTest account using the sign up button given here. Here, you can just create an account using your phone number, your email ID, and if you already have a Delta Exchange account, you can create an AlgoTest account directly from the Delta Exchange button. I already have an AlgoTest account, so I'll just directly log in into it. As you can see on my screen, we are on the AlgoTest dashboard. To go to Crypto Bazaar, we have to click on the marketplace from the top navbar. Once you click on it, there is a Crypto Bazaar option. You just have to click on it, and the crypto trading strategy I was talking about is posted by Mr. CA Deepak Kumar ji. So we'll be talking about this strategy in this video. In the crypto marketplace, you get two views. One is algo view and one is creator view. In creator view, you can see all of the creator profile who has published strategy on the crypto marketplace. So you can scroll down and see all of the creators available in the Crypto Bazaar. And if we click on the algo view, we can directly see all of the strategies available in the Crypto Bazaar. In Crypto Bazaar, currently there are more than 200 plus algos published by creators. So you can go over them and choose whichever algo you want by backtesting them. So in the algo view page, you can also filter out the strategy by the strategy type. If you are looking for the option buying strategy, then you can just directly click on the buying button and it will filter out the option buying strategy for you. Similarly, if you are looking for an option selling strategy, you can just filter out it by clicking on the selling button. Apart from it, you can also filter out the strategies from the margin you have. So if I click on the margin required button, I can just slide the sidebar and filter out the strategy as per the margin I have. Let's say I have set my margin as 1000 rupees and I'll just click on it and I'll get all of the trading strategies which can be traded using 1000 rupees margin. Along with that, you can also filter out the strategy from the instrument. If you want to trade only the Bitcoin, then you can also filter out the strategies of Bitcoin, and similarly you can also filter out the strategies of Ethereum. So the strategy I was talking about in the earlier part of this video was published by Mr. CA Deepak Kumar ji. So we'll be going through his strategies in this video. As you can see on my screen, he has published 12 algos as of now, and 1.9k people have saved his algos. So we'll just click on his profile. As you can see on my screen, you can see all of his published algo on this page. You can just scroll down and see all of the algos information available there. For every strategy, you can see the strategy name, published by the creator name, the margin requirement of the strategy type, whether it is an intraday strategy or it is a positional or BTST strategy, what instrument the strategy take trade in. You can also see that whether it is option buying strategy or selling strategy, you can also see that in the strategy chart itself. So in this video, we will be talking about his RA Algo Hedge 10k capital strategy. So we'll just click on that. As you can see on the strategy sidebar, this strategy was published on 4th of March, and from now 302 people have saved this strategy and have been trading this strategy in the live. This is the intraday strategy and it takes trades in the Bitcoin, and this is a option selling strategy. If you scroll down, you can see how much profit and loss it has paid till it is published. So we will now go to the next tab and run a backtest of this strategy to see how it has performed historically. To see the backtest in brief view, we'll just save the strategy in a portfolio view and we'll run a backtest of it. So I'll just click on save and backtest. The strategy has been saved in a portfolio and now we can run a backtest of it. So I'll just add the duration here. We'll backtest it from the 2025 till today. As you can see on my screen, the backtest is completed and now we can see the backtest result of this strategy. But before going ahead, as you know, crypto markets are extremely volatile. So for that, we will add a 5% slippages into this strategy. So we will undertake the effect of highly volatile market in this strategy. So we will add the slippages. We'll add 5% slippages in the strategy. We will go down. The equity curves look smooth and the drawdown curve also looks smooth. Another important part is whenever you backtest a trading strategy, you will have to add taxes and charges in the backtest so you get a realistic view of your strategy. We will add taxes and charges in this strategy. So as I said before, this strategy has made 1000% return in 2025, and the margin required for this strategy was 10,000 rupees. And as you can see on my screen, in 2025 it has made 99,330 rupees, which is close to the 100% return. So now let's just talk about the strategy stats. We'll just go down and see all of the stats available. The win percentage of this strategy is 55%. The max profit it has made in a single period is 5,493 rupees, and the max loss it has made is 4,069 rupees. And if we talk about the max drawdown, it has a max drawdown of 6,110 rupees. And the best part of this strategy is its risk to reward ratio. The risk to reward ratio here is 1.63. If you are an option seller, then you must be aware that the option selling strategies does not have a good risk to reward ratio, but this strategy has achieved a good risk to reward ratio. Along with that, another good thing in the strategy is the return to max drawdown ratio. It has a return to max drawdown of 40, which is a very good number in option selling strategy. Another most interesting thing is we can also optimize the expert created algo trading strategies by the weekdays or DTE filter. So what we can do is we can just go to the weekdays section and we can check on what day it is performing well and what day it is not performing very good. So we can remove the days it is not performing good to enhance the trading strategy. So first we'll check on the Monday. On Monday, it has made 31,000 profit in 2025 with a drawdown of 7,592 rupees. Let's check it on the Tuesday. On Tuesday, it is not performing very well. We will not add Tuesday. Let's check it on the Wednesday. On Wednesday, it is performing well. It has made 12,000 rupees in 2025 with a drawdown of 3,839 rupees. So Wednesday is good. Let's now check Thursday. Thursday is also a good day. It has made 28,000 profit with just a max drawdown of 2,263 rupees. Thursday is also good. Let's test it on Friday. Friday is also good. Let's check it on Saturday. Saturday is also good. Let's see on Sunday. Sunday is not a good day to trade this strategy. So what we will do is we will avoid trading these strategies on Sunday and Tuesday to enhance the performance of this trading strategy. So we will add all of these and we will just remove Sunday and Tuesday. So after doing this enhancement, the profit has been increased substantially and our max drawdown has also been reduced a bit. So this way you can backtest any strategy published by any creator in Crypto Bazaar and optimize it, and then you can trade them in live in just one click. So this was the first part where we backtest expert created algo trading strategies from Crypto Bazaar. Now just move to the next step where we execute them in forward test or live. So for that, we will have to first go to the Crypto Bazaar. We'll have to go to that strategy and we'll have to click on unlock button. So in Crypto Bazaar, there are many paid and free strategy, and this strategy is paid. If you want to execute this strategy, then you can purchase the plan. The monthly plan of this strategy is around 1500 rupees, and if you talk about the quarterly plan, it is around 3000 rupees. So to execute this strategy, we'll have to purchase the plan, then you can directly deploy them in forward test or live. Once you have purchased the plan, you will have to go to the algo trade. And in the AlgoTest section, you will find an option of Crypto Bazaar Algos. Here you can see the algo which you have purchased, and from here you can just click on the activate button, then your strategy will be activated. All of the crypto execution can be done via Delta Exchange, and if you are a new user and you don't have a Delta Exchange account, you can open a new account using the link given in the description. To sum up, in this video I have shown you a Bitcoin option selling strategy that has generated a good historical return. And along with that, I've also shown you a way how you can optimize your trading strategy using the DTE or weekday filter. If you find this video interesting, please like the video, and if you have any doubt, then you can directly reach out to us from the comment section. See you in the next video.